In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on CapCut Mobile. This will work for iPhones and Android both, since it's just in the app itself. So go ahead to your CapCut, and we're going to do a new video, and I'm just going to pick a video here somewhere. Let's see, I'll just pick this one here. Go ahead and hit Add. Now with this, what you can do if you really want to change the way it looks is go ahead to the very bottom menu and scroll over and change your aspect ratio. This is good for TikToks or Instagram or YouTube. Really a lot of different choices depending on what you want, but just make sure that you get this set in place first. So once you're happy, go ahead and hit the check mark. And what we're going to do now is add an overlay, and that's going to give us the ability to put a video on top of this video here. So the same thing at your menu down here is go ahead and find overlay and hit add overlay. So we're going to go through and choose another video here and go ahead and add that one in the same way. So now what we're going to have here is two videos. I'm going to make sure that this is kind of the same size of the aspect ratio here. And now it's time to add this split screen. So make sure that you have the video that's on top selected, and you're going to go to your menu button here and go all the way over, and you're going to go ahead and hit a mask. So that mask is going to give us the option to see both videos at the same time. So go ahead and hit horizontal, and as you see, now it's been cut in half, and I can move this up and down. You can scroll through and see that now both videos are on top of each other, but you can see it. You can use your fingers and also tilt this around if you want to. Another thing you can do is kind of have this fade in and out so that when you're playing the videos, you can kind of see both at the same time. It's up to you. You can go through and choose different masks if you really want to. It's up to your desire, but I'm just going to pick the horizontal. That's probably the one that's mostly used. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to split screen on your CapCut device.